You too little, Queequeg. Sister's too... No, baby, she's too little. Yeah. What? A zowl?
No.
Well, I don't know what you're saying. No, babe. It's drying out, babe. Whoa. Big truck. Uh-oh. What happened? What happened? Hey. Hold it for sister, honey. Whoa, you did it. Let sister sit in there too. Scoot over for sister. You got in, you get out. There you go. Huh, Miss Lexi? What? No, baby, don't go to the trash. What do you know?